Welcome to our transformative guide on creating a sensory haven at home, designed to meet the unique sensory needs of individuals at different levels of autism. In this comprehensive tutorial, we're not just offering a step-by-step process, we're unlocking the secrets to making this space truly magical. Stick around until the end, as we'll be revealing expert tips and creative ideas that can turn your sensory room into a personalized sanctuary, making this video worth watching for every caregiver, family member, or individual seeking a more profound understanding of autism-friendly sensory spaces. Let's embark on this journey together and create something extraordinary. Step 1. Understand individual sensory needs. Before you start creating your sensory room, it's crucial to understand the specific sensory preferences and sensitivities of the individual with autism. Consider their sensory profile, including preferences for visual, auditory, tactile, olfactory, and proprioceptive stimuli. This knowledge will guide you in selecting appropriate sensory elements for the room. Step 2. Choose the right space. Select a room in your home that can be easily transformed into a dedicated sensory space. It could be a spare bedroom, playroom, or even a corner of a room. Ensure that the chosen space is free from distractions and has enough room for various sensory activities. Step 3. Budget-friendly sensory lighting. Create a calming atmosphere with budget-friendly lighting options. Use soft, warm LED lights to minimize harshness. Consider string lights, lava lamps, or color-changing bulbs to add visual interest. These options can be adjusted to suit individual preferences and sensitivities. Step 4. Tactile sensory elements. Let's incorporate tactile elements that cater to different preferences. Use soft rugs, cushions, or bean bags for comfortable seating. Install fabric wall coverings or hang textured tapestries to add visual and tactile stimulation. Create a sensory wall with materials like bubble wrap, sandpaper, and fabric swatches for touch exploration. Step 5. Auditory Stimuli. Integrate auditory elements based on individual preferences. Consider a white noise machine, calming music, or nature sounds. Include options for adjustable volume levels to accommodate varying auditory sensitivities. Headphones can also be provided for those who prefer a more controlled auditory environment. Step 6. Olfactory Sensations. Enhance the sensory experience with pleasant scents. Use essential oil diffusers, scented candles, or aroma beads with calming fragrances. Be mindful of individual sensitivities and choose scents that are well tolerated. Step 7. Visual Stimulation. Incorporate visually stimulating elements without overwhelming the space. Consider wall decals, fiber optic lights, or a projector displaying calming visuals. Create a DIY sensory bottle station with various items like glitter, beads, and colored water to offer visual fascination. Step 8. Proprioceptive Activities. These include activities that provide deep pressure and proprioceptive input. Consider a cozy corner with weighted blankets, compression sheets, or a rocking chair. Create DIY sensory paths using foam tiles or rugs for individuals who enjoy tactile grounding activities. Step 9. Personalize the space. Tailor the sensory room to the individual's interests. Include items related to their favorite colors, characters, or hobbies. Personalization creates a sense of ownership and comfort within the space. Conclusion: by following this step-by-step guide, you can create a customized and budget-friendly sensory room that caters to the sensory needs of individuals at different autism levels. Remember to regularly assess and adjust the sensory elements based on individual preferences to ensure a supportive and calming environment.